So let me tell you how I started my network marketing business. That was like 16 years ago because I was retrenched and I couldn't find any job. I was a bit depressed actually. My face was in a mess because I didn't have enough sleep. I was working for a international beauty business, right? And I was flying every week and I oversee Asia Pac region. I couldn't sleep during that period of time because it was very hectic. One week I fly to 2 countries and then I speak to DFS, retailers, all those things because I was doing travel retail. And then came the retrenchment. And then after that I was thinking to myself, oh no, I just got married and then I have to pay for my house. What should I do? So I started to apply for a part-time job, data entry clerk. I always think to myself that maybe this is just temporary. So I was just like, just day goes by, one step at a time, trying to pay my credit card debts and then pay my bills, pay my phone bills or pay my electric bills. Because back then when I was retrenched, my partner also retrenched. So it was really like a nightmare because all of us, we just paid for the renovation of the house. But then again, inside my heart, right, I do believe that God provides, God will supply. So I pray. I wasn't a Christian back then. I was just a Catholic. And I went to Novena Church, so funny, and do petitions. I mean, things that a human would do to get a job. And finally, I got a part-time job in a hospital, right? Very glad to know all the colleagues there. They're so friendly and there's not much politics going there, which I like. In the beauty industry, there's more. And so I was getting a bit of my nervous system calms down a bit because I was doing this data entry clerk and stuff. And at the same time, right, I was starting to promote the network marketing business products. Because I'm a temporary there, right? So I actually like look at my colleagues and then be like, why don't you try this? But before that, actually, before I started this data entry clerk, right, my friend invited me to this company and then she was conducting skincare and then I joined her skincare. And I was very impressed with the products, to be frank, because I've tried so many brands, right? And I'm from La Mer, Bobbi Brown, all these things. And I realized that, this could be a good product for me to market and to tap onto their network and leverage on the commissions and stuff. They promised me to have 4 incomes, right? So that's why I started. I didn't really have the faith to think that I could be a director in that company, that I'll be so successful, right? And then of course, in July 2023 when it closed, right, I'm like a bit devastated because I've actually built 16 years of fixed income in a sense. So right now I started this business school, $12 a month, to help many women who's maybe you guys are going through something and you need extra income, or maybe you need something to distract yourself. But learning new stuff is good, right? I mean, let me tell you, during my network marketing business experience, right, I trained many women and all of them hit like 15,000 production, $20,000 production. I train them well. I'm very good in sales. I'm also top sales for 3 years down there. Okay, and last year I actually trained an entrepreneur. She is selling some clothes stuff and she made 15,000 production as well. So it doesn't matter what products you're selling. It's a matter of whether you know your customer's problem very well, and then even your customers, what do they want to achieve from point A to point B. Once you know this part, like their problems, and then you're solving their problems and what you are like helping them transform from point A to point B, then they will surely be convinced and want to follow you. But of course you must show some results on your own platform. So I actually show them the video views and how many products I sold on TikTok shop, right? Like you guys know the Hex Skin Foundation, I sold within 3 days 500 products. And then probiotics that I sold for Swiss within 1 week is 800 products. So I know my capability, right? And now during the July 2023, I actually trained myself how to create more viral videos on Instagram and YouTube. So right now you can see YouTube, I have average about 1,000 views per video right now, and some of them hit 55,000 views as well. I mean, to be frank, you have to really believe in yourself when you start your own business. You cannot doubt. And you have to know you have a goal and where do you want to go from A to B. You know what I mean? Today, just now, I had meeting with a Korean company. It's so funny. He was talking about collaboration and stuff, right? And I told him, like, you're creating your own business. You must think of your exit strategy. After that, we don't want to work forever, right? You know what I mean? He was like, yeah, but he's very young. He's like 30 years old only. So that's why, I mean, think about where you want to go. And when I was doing network marketing business back then, every month I'll plan in advance how much I want to achieve, who am I going to target at. I write down the list of the people I want to target at. And when COVID came during the 2020, right, I'm so glad that I have TikTok and I'm able to talk to, like, one video was like hitting like 20,000 views when the video went viral. So it's like you talking to 20,000 people, you know what I mean? So that's why I always encourage a lot of you to do online, create an online presence so that you can have ready customers just like that. Because once they follow you, it means they trust you, right? I saw one of the TikTokers, Chiobu, single parent, right? She has so many single parents following her. Why? Because she's in the same league. They're all single parents. To me, is like you will tend to attract those who are of the same pattern or situation. Like for me, 16 years ago, I was retrenched. I was in debts. I do not know where I want to go. I always thought I could rely on my husband, my ex-husband. But I realized, no, you have to, as a woman, you need to be financially independent. And that time, right, I think I don't even have a hospital insurance, if I'm not wrong. It's never too late to have a hospital insurance. I got it when I was working for myself. And I've paid for 10 over years already. So have faith that you are able to, once you have peace to sign on to something, right, you should be okay. And trust God. I always say, everything that I have right now is all glory to Him. So, this is where my story is. And then right now I focus on helping more women to find their directions, to transit from point A to point B. If you're going through a divorce or life transition, you need help, right? You can DM me for my transformation program, right? You don't have to pay in full. You can pay in installment right now if you want to. All right, so follow me for more tips on glow up tips, being frugal. All right, I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.